So HTML is a base tag, and we will have head as well as body. Okay. Yeah, in the head tag, what do we have? Title. And in the body, we will write all the executable code. Okay. So let me explain you something like HT image IMG tag. So we're discussing about the IMG tag, image tag. Okay. Carefully listen to this class IMG. IMG IMG program. Okay, just Q.html extension. Now see this, Ravi. We'll have IMG tag here, and we'll have SRC. SRC means source. Okay, source of the image. Source of the image, and we will have some width of the image. ID, this is ID. Height attribute and width attribute of image. Let us say we have a so there is no images in here. See, there is no images in this particular folder. Okay, so let's skip some images into this folder. Let me go to the download, and let me find some good images. Image number 1, image number 2, some image number 3. So I got some 3 images. Okay. And also, yeah, okay, right, fine. I got 3 images. Now what I can say, like what I can do, I'm simply pasting the 3 images into this folder. Okay, what are the image names? What are the names of the images? 3, 4, 5. What is the type of the type of the images, ma? What is the type? Are they PNG or JPG? See this type is JPG. I have 3 images with the JPG extension in the same folder. Okay. So now, how we can say? Let us say I'll be placing something like 3.jpg. Some width equal to some 300 pixel. So 300 and height equal to some 300. Okay. So this is my first image. I'm saving it, and simply I'm double clicking on this image program. It will be opened into my browser, and this is my image. Okay, this is the image that is displayed. And then similarly, I can place so image number 4, image number 5 with same width and same height. Let me refresh this. See, Ravi, I got 3 images there, right? And now, so what I want to do is I want to display the images one by one. I simply go for something like BR. What is BR means? Exactly. Break tag. So the images are displayed in the vertical order. Okay. Yeah, we just give like this. Okay, this is actually the standard way of giving the break. Okay, try to do that whenever needed. Just try to give the VR like this. All right, fine. So this is okay because the images are placed exactly inside my own folder. Let us say I have an image. I have an image outside this one, like in the parent folder. Let me copy one image from here. Yeah, right. Yes. Let us say this is my image. Something like this is my image, which is in the parent directory. Okay, which is in the parent directory, and I want to display that image. I want to display that image in this folder. So what I can say is, so what is the name of the image? Byte code. Byte code dot. What is the type of the image? JPG. It is displaying C. In item type equal to JPG file. So the item type is JPG. So the width will be, let me give some 800, and the height will be something like some 400. Okay, because it is with some 8,000 into 4,000 dimensions. So that's the reason why I'm scaling it to something very small. Okay, so I want that is let me refresh this page. Let me refresh this page. See this. I'm just removing this brackets, BRs, so that I could save some. So this one, I'm removing this one. Okay, let just see this. Just see this. I got some 900. There is no image here. So if the image is not loaded, we can use some ALT here. ALT equal to loading problem. This is an alternative error message that we can display whenever the image is not there in the location. Okay. When the given image is not there in the location, yes, sir, the alternative message will be printed. Okay. You see this. This is the alternative message. Okay. So now let's do one thing. So where it is located exactly in the parent directory. Parent directory means dot slash dot means in the parent directory I have bytecode.jpg. Just bring that one and print in my page. Now I'm refreshing that. See this? Simply I have printed the parent folder image. Do you get it? So that's the thing. And let us say I have an image which is in the subfolder, okay, something like let us say I have a subfolder named my subfolder or some ABC. This is my subfolder. So image number 4 and 5, I'm moving image 4 and 5 to this folder. Okay, how many images are there in the current working directory? Where are 3? I have only one image in the present directory. Two are in the subdirectory. One is in the present directory, one is in the parent directory. Okay. So let me again images alternative message to all the images tags, all the empty tags. See this image is displaying fine, and whereas I'm getting the loading problem for the next two images because they are present inside the subdirectory. Okay, na? Inside the subdirectory, like here. Now what I have to do is I have to mention this subdirectory like sub slash sub slash. Now when I refreshed that, I'm still not getting why, because it is not sub, it's ABC. The folder name is ABC. Okay. In ABC, I have two images. Now I'm refreshing this one. See this. Now I got displayed these two images. Ravi, is that okay? Datta Mani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Datta. So this is the concept of images. IMG tag. Okay. If you want to place and I'll be demonstrating one more thing. I'll be demonstrating one more thing. If you want to copy and paste the image from the URL, okay, from other source, like if you want to get the image from the google.com, okay, the best HD wallpapers. Okay, what shall we do? Which one should I choose? I'm simply going to the images tab, and there is this Dattatraya's friend is there. I'm not going to select him. Okay, I really love this. Okay, there is a, my God, choosing between these two is really hard. Okay, first I'll be choosing this one. Okay, this is my image. I'm simply opening this image in new tab. Open image in new tab. I'm also opening the Spider-Man image and opening this image in the new tab. Okay, so this is my image. So let me copy this URL and simply I'm going to paste the URL right here in the source. Okay, and I'm not going to give any width and height. Okay, I'm not going to give any width and height because I don't know how much size it is. After by looking at, I can scale that one according to that. According to the image size, I can scale it. See this. So this is my Tom and Jerry image from URL. You get it? Yes. Oh my God, where is the Spider-Man? Okay, this is my Spider-Man image. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy again and paste here. and I'll be displaying the Spider-Man's image right here. Just remove this one, copy this and paste it here, save it. See this? Refresh. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's the thing. This is how you can display the images in the web page. Beautiful it is. Actually, these are the different logos of mine designed by me. I'm great. Okay, thanks. Thank you guys. We shall see next concepts and tomorrow plans. Okay.